I feel like to be able to have my son out here, you have a feeling of acceptance. Like through a company, you have a real family-orientated feel. You feel like you belong to something with Centra. You know, you really do. It's just fun. It's not work, it's just fun. It's not just teamwork, it's a family. Centra's a big family altogether. You know, you really get that feeling. You know, it's lots of fun.
Volunteering my weekend just to do work for other people, it's fun.
I love Centra. It's a great company. It's through and through a family-orientated company, and you feel like you belong to something when you work for Centra. You really do.